Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is video number 2, unboxing number 2. I just unboxed a wonderful Junie and Burke purchase from eBay, and this one I ordered from DHGate. So I ordered it from the app DHGate, and once again that's an app where, or a website where you can purchase dupes and replicas of designer handbags and accessories, and I personally really like it. I've been enjoying my Louis Vuitton replica planner. I love it, you guys. It smells great. It looks great. It came out great. So this is something I waited a while for. It's 2 bags, and I think I got the, I hope I got the right size. I think I got the MM on accident. But let me just cut it, do this off camera because they put my address on both sides. So go figure. So give me a second here. I know, I'm like, really? And you guys, I'm excited. I'm really excited because the pattern on these bags is one of my freaking favorites. I am excited. Okay, so we got 2 bags here. Okay, looks like the MM. Darn it, I wanted the... No, is this the right size? I don't know. Let me open it. If so, I can use it for a work bag. Let me just open this. It's really flat, so it's hard for you to see somewhat. Okay, now this could be a total flop, you guys. But that's the fun of it. Okay, so here's a really weird, kind of thin Louis Vuitton dust bag. Not that great, but whatever. Okay, so here it is. So this is the Junie Burke Neverfull. I think I got the GM. Wait, let me open it up just a little bit. Oh. Let's see. I think this is a total flop actually, which I was expecting. So, okay, the bottom of the bag. Hold on, I'm fixing it. Or can I? Oh no, wait, it's not a flop. Okay, that I know of. So. Okay, yeah, I think it might be the GM because it's kind of large, but yeah, this is the Neverfull, and I forget the name of this print. I almost know it. The only thing I do see is that the straps here are kind of thick. They're a little bit more wider than normal, but yeah. And here is the back, so cute, just like the original. And the inside I think I got red. But I ordered hot pink. But yeah, here's the back. You got a zippered pocket there. And inside, oh, then you get clips for this guy. Comes with a little bag. Except for, oh yeah, the zipper's okay. But yeah, here's the bag it comes with. I actually really like it. So this one came out just fine. Making sure. Yeah, the inside's totally cool. This one has kind of a little bit of a plasticky smell, but I've been okay with airing my stuff out. But yeah, darn it, I wanted to get the smaller size. Okay, so that's bag number 1. We'll put it right there. And then we got bag number 2. Same size, unfortunately, but whatever. Hope the color's okay. Okay. So we got same kind of dust bag. Not that great. Oh, wow, cool. Here it is. I don't remember the name of this print. But same size, the Neverfull. It looks smaller. Nope. Yeah, I wanted a smaller size, but yeah. It has the fake vachetta leather, this leather straps. Here's the back. Isn't that cute? And then we got this bag here. That is darling with a little strap. Same thing here. The only thing I do see on this, okay, the bag looks fine, you guys. But on here, this is real. There's like a dark color to that, and also on the fake leather, it's like worn. There's like a black spot on there, but whatever. I wanted to just have fun and see this, but yeah. So here's the inside. Same setup, but there's something else in here. Okay, So did this come off? This is weird. Okay. So there's no clip. There's nothing here. It's like, so you can't put it on anything, but, oh, maybe you can. Maybe you could clip it like that. But it's like this little leaf and a little charm. So I don't know what that is. But yeah, like I said, it's from DHGate. And yeah, I think it's cute. This one, you know, also smells like plastic. But yeah, I'm just gonna air them out and then you can use them just fine. But yeah, I love these. They're so cute. Here's this one again. Let me know what you guys think. And let me know if you have any questions down below. If you want to know how to order it, I can do that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think and leave a comment down below. My recent video, my Junie and Burke purchase. And yeah, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.